that was the funnest bike of the day. I could jump on that all day long, and it was just great. I had a good time.
The two-stroke, that thing blew me away. I mean, it's so much faster than a 250F. The motor it feels like it's got so much more power. On tracks where there's great traction like today, I mean, that thing just is really, really fast. Flight, I've just been riding four-strokes for so long, I have a hard time with it. The bike just really kind of wore me out. I think that it handles really well, especially mid-corner and getting that thing stuck into ruts. But if you're going to race at the amateur level and take advantage of the new rule changes where you can ride the two-stroke, you basically got to be a fast guy, and watching our fast guys go out there and just rip it, I mean, it's definitely competitive, especially with the 250Fs. I tell you, it's definitely like a different world. And I think I was probably the only person who didn't get off the bike with crazy shit-eating grins. It just doesn't do it for me, really. I like really predictable, steady power, and the four-strokes give me that. So for me, if you're gonna ride a 250, make sure it has an F at the end of it.